What is good, gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Phil S2K, and today we're in the big body BMW E92 335 Xi. It's like, nah, I don't know, I'm so amped up. But today I'm on my way to Flipsco's garage, shop, however he wants to call it. We're going there and we're gonna work on this merch today, man. Like I said, I really want to get this turbo kit for my S2000, and like I said, these turbo kits are really expensive, bro. Like, really expensive. And right now, if I was to save up my money to get this turbo kit, it would take me a little while to get it, not gonna lie to you all. So I came up with an idea, and I think it would be a dope marketing scheme, you know, to get you guys to like want to buy merch, want to help support those of you that do want to see me get this turbo kit. I'm gonna buy merch. Well, I'm not gonna buy, I'm gonna get merch made, and then you guys will, like, you know, buy it, obviously, if you want to. You don't have to. And then I'll use that money that I get from, like, the merch to get my turbo kit. If you guys think that's a good idea, let me know. I'm also gonna, like, sell, like, my decals that I've always been selling. Those do pretty well on the website, but, you know, it's not that much of a profit on them because I'm not selling them for a crazy price. So it'll take me still a long time to get, you know, to that turbo kit. So if you guys want to see me get this turbo kit, all I ask is just to help me out here, man. But I was thinking, hear me out, I'm thinking to do an eBay turbo kit for the content. See how long that turbo kit lasts me, give you guys reviews on it, and, you know, see if it's worth it or not. I seen a turbo kit for like $650. I could do that, but $6 grand right now, I can't do. You know, like, yeah, granted, I have a full-time job. I'm not making that much money off of YouTube, so, you know, I can't just blow $6 grand on a turbo kit and not really get a residual from it. What's good, y'all? So I just left Flipsco shop, and basically I didn't record that much because, like, we were really trying to, like, grind it out, get some dope designs going, and, you know, I just want to make this a surprise for you guys because I really want to make my merch something that, like, I can continuously do and you guys really appreciate it and really like it, you know. So right now I'm heading to go get Vanessa real quick, and then probably gonna go back to the house. But I just want to say to you guys, man, thank you, like, for real. Thank you for all the support that you guys have given me. Thank you to the people that click into these videos every single day, because without you guys, I honestly don't know if I will keep doing this. You know, YouTube is very stressful. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. You know, you put a lot of time and effort into your videos, and you may not get that many views, or you may not have that many subscribers, you know? So, you know, for someone like me who's, like, been pushing, you know, I honestly really want this, and that's why I continue to work as hard as I can. Hopefully tomorrow I'm able to get some dope drone shots, because, like, it's been raining, like, these past couple of days. So I'm gonna try to get some dope drone shots for you guys. Just make these videos a little bit more different and interesting, man. Hey, got the drone working. Such a nice day outside today, so I was like, let's try to get some flight footage today. Guys, so your boy's officially home. As you guys see, I was just messing around with the drone. Got the drone right here with me. I'm about to go to my little favorite spot that I like to go, like, take pictures at sometimes. Like where we are in New Jersey, well, the part of New Jersey I live in is really wooded. It's not really so, like, city-esque. Like, I'm close to New York City, but there's a lot of trees and stuff in my area. So I'm gonna go into that little reservoir that I like going into, try to get some dope drone footage. maybe some scenic shit. I don't know, we gotta see, but I'm definitely about to go do that right now. I knew the cop was gonna come in here and bother me. I knew it. About to get on my wait, how they call it? DDE? Daily Driven Exotic shit. They stay getting stopped by the cops. But he's probably gonna tell me I can't fly the drone here. I'm 100% sure he's gonna tell me that shit. Watch. I know it. But I'm gonna push my luck anyway and see if he'll say anything. I hope he does it, but if he does, so be it. I mean, he's seen me taking out the remote and all that stuff, so I don't know. But it looks like he's moving along, so. This drone thing is so fire, bro. Like, I low-key wanna buy myself one, but I'm the type of person, if I know someone else has it, I'm not gonna get it. Because I know I could just use theirs. Which is a bad thing, but at the end of the day, it's like, Jermaine doesn't use it that much. I'm not gonna use it that much, so fuck it, you know what I'm saying? The cop's coming back. You think he's gonna say something? I don't know. They be hella strict with these fucking drones, bro. Some cool footage, I think. I think I got some good footage. All right, so I got some drone footage. We're about to go home now. So I wanted to try something new on the S2000. I've been seeing it on a lot of other cars, but I want to see how it would look on my car. So I bought me a yellow tint film to go on the headlight of the S2000. I don't know if it's gonna look good. I don't know if it's gonna look bad, but we're gonna try it out and see. So I was gonna go to a different spot of the reservation just to get like some water shots, like of the reservoir and all that stuff, but like I kind of want to get this done while I have daylight. So we're gonna go do this real quick, and then probably, I don't know if I'm gonna bring the vlog camera with me tonight to go meet up with JR and the rest of the gang, because they're going out for JR's birthday today. JR is the guy with the Accord and the Grom that matches it. So should be a good time tonight. Yeah, I mean, it's a nice day. It's been raining for the past couple of days, so you know, I'm just trying to make use of what I have right now. So while it's nice out, let's just try to get this headlight thing done. Hopefully it doesn't look like shit. This should be all the tools I need to make this thing work. I don't know, man. Let's see. Okay, so what comes inside this little thing is basically some instructions on how to install, right? But we're car guys. We don't use instructions. We just do what we do, right? No, I'm playing. Don't do that. You should always follow instructions on like things like this, because any little misstep can mess up the whole process, like not cleaning the headlight, and stuff like that. I mean, I deal with decals all the time, so I know that the surface needs to be clean. I don't really need to follow this because I do it all the time. But, you know, for people who don't, make sure when you're like buying stickers from me, your windows are clean. You know, it's not like oily or greasy, because if you don't, then it's either not gonna stick, or when you put it on, it's gonna bubble up after a while. So that's just a little key point for you guys, all right? So I got some soapy water right here, and then I also got me a chamois, so that way it could like squeegee all the like residue, whatever, off of the headlight, all right? So that's what we're about to do. Trying to figure out a good way to do this. All right, that's it. Just want to clean the headlight, get the surface ready. Alright, so I just measured how far or how much vinyl I need. So I just took the good measurement, cut that out. Now I'm able to just line it up. Alright. Oh yeah, what y'all think, man? It looks good? Huh? Yellow? Yellow or keep it clear? Let me darken this up for y'all so y'all could get a better see at it. Ooh! Yellow? Clear. Yellow? I don't know. I think the yellow makes it look pretty cool. Oh yeah. What do you guys think, man? Y'all rocking with it? Yep. Damn. What y'all think, man? Y'all rocking with it or not? Please let me know in the comment section down below, please. About to go back inside. Whoa, whoa, get it together. About to go inside, change my clothes to get ready to go back out. Vanessa's over there waiting on me. I think it looks pretty cool. I think it gives the SUK a dope look. You guys let me know, man, all right? I don't know if I'm gonna end it here. If not, I'll end it when I come back.